While most moving companies will go above and beyond to move your stuff, they'll still have a list of items that should stand clear of the moving truck. Whether the item is on their moving truck blacklist for things that are too dangerous or illegal to transport, or otherwise suggest that you move it yourself, here's a list of everything you shouldn't put on the moving truck if you want to stay in your mover's good graces. Fertilizers, weed sprays, and other gardening chemicals, as they can be flammable on the back of a moving truck. Unsealed and or perishable food, consider donating non-perishable items to a moving company that works with Move for Hunger. Photo albums. Your mover's contact information. Your alcohol collection. You definitely want to keep your hands on that one. Important documents like birth certificates, social security cards, passports, medical and financial documents. Keep a small toolkit on hand. Some extra cash. Jewelry or other valuables. Your pet's food. Leftover gasoline, and of course, your last to pack box. This box should include everything that you'll need to access immediately once you're at your new home. Well, there you have it. Make sure you don't load those things onto your moving truck and keep them right by your side.